So I'm going to show you how to do a works cited using Easybib. You can just do a Google search for Easybib. Make sure you choose MLA. This took me to formatting basics, but I do have the citation generator here. It's not a bad idea to look at the formatting basics. I have several students losing points for things that happen automatically when you open a paper, and then they have reformatted it so that it is the opposite of that. But a lot of these things don't happen automatically, so do check that. Let's see. I'm not sure what this is doing here. I'm going to do a works cited for you. So I'm bringing this over so you can see how it is I'm doing this. I'm just going to copy, I don't know why this keeps popping up here, but I'm going to copy the address bar here at the top. Then I'm going to get rid of this, and I just enter it here where it lets me search for what that website was. And that's it. I click Cite, and then it's going to give me some places to fill in some extra things. So where it says Publisher Sponsor, Edit on the next step, and Date Published, those things I will see if I can find and fill in. So let me find my source again. So I do have some information that they have filled in for me. The website is here. The URL is what I originally posted or pasted into that search. Let's look and see if I have a publisher sponsor listed. They already have Monticello on there. So let me see if there is an additional sponsor. It really is the Monticello site, monticello.org. So I think I don't need to add a publisher sponsor with that same name. If I really was bound and determined, I could add to it. The other major thing that I would say to look for is a date. Usually if you scroll down to the bottom, as I have here, there will be a copyright symbol with a date. Oftentimes it's just the current year, especially for websites. You will find dates that will automatically be filled in if you have a book or a journal, something like that. If not, you can find those dates. This does not list a date, so I'm going to leave that blank as well. So if you don't have a component of your works cited, you can just list what you do have. And to double check that, you can look at mla.org. That's the official style guide that you are using for all of your English classes. And you can take a look at what they offer. If you look in Works Cited, a quick guide, you can see all of the core elements you need. In fact, they have a template that you can use to fill in everything that is available to you, and then you will have this basic format. The difference with a website is that you probably won't have a number or version. Contributor may be exactly what the website title is, and the website would be the container. It may also be the publisher. But notice how, look on number 4, number 5, number 7, they don't have those things, so they've skipped them. That's okay to do. You just go to the next thing. Okay, so you have several samples of how you might format that. And then they have a little try it yourself thing where you can enter in everything you do have. If you need to add extra stuff, you can add stuff. If you need to skip one of them, you skip one of them, and then you just continue until you have completed all those steps. And you can double check that in your MLA citation stuff that they are offering you as blanks here as well. So I didn't have a date, so I'm just completing the citation. Here it is. Okay, so I can just copy that citation. It will make me, usually it makes me watch an ad, but it didn't this time, so I can just paste that to my document. In my document, I want to paste my news source in alphabetical order, so I just need to make sure that MON is what I remember so that I can paste in the correct order. So it would come, MO comes between MC and MU, so I can paste that here. Let's see, did it do it? It did, but you know what? It changed my font. I'd like my font to stay all the same, so I'll fix that. And then I'm good. I hope that helps.